Hi, I'm Ian. I'll be your guide today on our tutorial dealing with leaving the A19 at the Downhill Lane Junction, then turning right towards Hylton Castle. We're preparing to leave the A19. The countdown markers help us prepare to do this. 3 stripes, check your center and left mirror to see what is following you. 2 stripes indicate left, and 1, plan your exit. If there is traffic slowing, you may need to adjust your speed. We're turning right, 4th exit, so cancel your left indicator and indicate right. Head over to the right lane. Turning right, 4th exit, Hylton Castle. You must, repeat must, stay in the very right lane as the road widens. Stay in the very right lane as you turn right on the roundabout. At this point, check your left blind spot, indicate left, and if it is safe to do so, spiral into the left lane. The next exit is the 3rd exit towards Bolden. We are taking the 4th exit towards Hylton Castle, so indicate right. Look left, then indicate left, and leave the junction, heading up Washington Road towards Hylton Castle. Once round the corner, make progress up to the 40-mile-per-hour speed limit. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Please like and subscribe for our regularly updated content.